Hi guys, this is the last typing assignment I have for you. After this, we'll be doing something called Hanuit tutorial videos and talking about those and reviewing for a possible final exam. That is pending when I return to work, so don't worry about that. So you should have a master copy like this. It's called file sharing. So what we're going to do, we're going to open Word. This is actually a report. So the way we're going to format this, we're going to say layout. We want the 2-inch top margin, 1-inch size and bottom. Because it is a report, it's a double-spaced document, so we can go ahead and set double space. And we want a size 12 on whatever Calibri, Times New Roman, Arial that you choose. The first line is centered. So with your bold on and your caps lock on, type file sharing, legal or not. A lot of these documents that they give us to use, I don't like that font, let me change it. A lot of these documents they give us to use actually have some pretty good information in there about what we want to use. So sometimes it's helpful to read them because you learn new things. So after a title and a report, we quadruple space. So if we're set to double, it's 1, 2, and then move your cursor back over. So your cursor goes to the left. We tab, and we'll do our teacher trick. And let's make sure all the paragraphs are indented. Now you guys are not doing the teacher trick. I've had a few people try to do that. You know that you have to type what's on the document. Okay, so we'll do this again. Equals rand. There you go. So remember I told you before, so it looks like you just kind of have one paragraph on that second page. So if you remember from when we did letters, let me move this little guy down. When I have a 2-page letter or report, this second page needs to have a 1-inch top margin. So you're going to put your cursor right in front of that first line that falls on the second page. And when you go to layout, did I forget? Okay, yes. We're going to change this to 1, and then right here at the bottom, we're going to put from this point only. I've got this on 2 pages so you can see that there's a 2-inch top margin on the first page and a 1-inch top margin on the second. In this document, I want you to put your name in the footer. So you double click on the footer. The reason for that is we're going to put a page number in the header. So I'm going to come up here, I'm going to click on page number. When I double clicked, this automatically came up. Page number, top of page. We want it in the top right corner. It's usually in the top right corner about a ½ an inch from the side, all right? Now, I don't want it to show on the first page. So right here where it says different first page, you click that, and now it just shows on the second page. So this is why I showed it as a 2-page document instead of 1. You have a 2-inch top margin and no page number on the first page. You have a 1-inch top margin and the page number 2 on the second page, and you have your name down here in the footer. Now, did you notice how the footer also moved to the second page? In a report, you don't want all that extra stuff on the first page. So in a report, typically that would be a title page, but this is just showing you how to do the formatting. So you're going to save it as file sharing, and you're going to upload it to Canvas, and then we're going to start something called Hanuit tutorials. I've got given a PowerPoint to show you how to do that step by step. We're going to do that for a couple of classes, and then I'll determine whether or not we're going to do a final. It just depends on how quick I'm coming back. So have a blessed day. Enjoy your last typing assignment, and we'll see what we can do after this to make sure you've got all the information you need. Thank you.